Hi guys, so today I'm going to live swatch some polishes that I got on offer from Prism Polish. They don't have names, I'm afraid, but they are a selection of 3 glitter polishes. So this first one, as you can see, is blue based. It's got some larger and some smaller glitters in it. There is definitely an underlying purple and green coming through there as well. As expected for this one, it is a little bit sheer in the first coat. We will do a second, but as you know with glitter polishes, sometimes it is better just doing the sponging method with them. Polish 2 is this bronze shade, and what a wonderful shimmer that's coming out as I'm applying it to the nail. There looks to be scattered holographic all the way through it, and then there's that golden yellow sheen as well. That one's going to look really nice once the colour builds up. The third polish is green based. It's got a bit of a chameleon effect shining through on it, because when you twist the colours you're definitely seeing some reds, maybe even some sort of purple tones getting through under there as well. Maybe quite difficult for the camera to pick up. You can see the different shimmers there. Again, like the first polish, a little bit sheer in the first coat, but that's okay. We're just going to apply a second to see how the colour builds up.